Hello Sulphur friends, I'm out here today in the beautiful forest and we're gonna do a science project. So I was riding my bike today and I came across these pine cones. I don't know if you can see them. They're kind of spread out, like their fingers are spread out like that. And my science experiment, I've seen pine cones before where they're really shrunk up like that. And so I think if we put these in water right here, that the pine cones might soak up the water and become really small. I think they're gonna be smaller than they are right now. So what I suggest is that we time and see how long it's gonna take for them to go from this into like a smaller pine cone. All right, so I'm gonna put these in here right now and we're gonna wait and I'll come back to you with another video and so we can see the results. So right now I'm gonna put these right here in this creek, see if they can soak up these water. All right, and we're gonna come back to it in our next video. All right, so sit tight. All right, so we're back here. We have our pine cones. They've been soaking in the water for about 30 minutes now. And so I'm gonna show you guys these. So we had two of them. It looks like one of them, the larger one, it doesn't look like it closed up all the way. And so I think if we sat this back in the water for a longer period of time, it might close all the way. But this other one, I think because it's smaller, see how it closed up almost all the way. Remember before it had its fingers, it was like spread out. And so, yeah, so these were in the water for about 30 minutes. So if you want to try this at home, if you can find some pine cones in your neighborhood, maybe have your mom or dad help you out, soak these in water and time how long it's gonna take for them to go from really big to really small. And so I hope you guys have fun with this, have fun with it at home, have your parents help you out, all right? And then let me know, if in this video, if you wanna let me know in the comments, just type out, how long it took for your pine cones. And if you wanna take pictures to share too, that would be awesome. All right, well, this science experiment has been really fun. I'm glad you guys enjoyed it and I will see you soon. All right, bye-bye.